that ass.
Подбирай, подбирай.
Shake that ass, shake that ass. All my niggas in the house, put your hands up. All my niggas in the house, put your hands up. All my niggas in the house, put your hands up. Put your hands up, put your hands up. All my niggas in the house, put your hands up. All my niggas in the house, put your hands up. All my niggas in the house, put your hands up. Put your hands up, put your hands up.
Диджей Тим Шериф сегодня вместе с вами. Кто хочет, понимайте, качайте руками.
Я могу их фоткать на самом деле параллельно. Будет не
I used to run bass like Juan Pierre. Now I run the bass, hi-hat, and the snare. Used to bag girls like Birkin bags. Now back beat.
Boy, you hurtin' that.
Brooklyn Bay, where they birthed me at. Now be everywhere, the nerve of rap. The audacity to have me with them curtains back. Me and B, she about to sting, stand back.
Baby, seem like everywhere I go, I see you. From your eyes, I smile, it's like I breathe you. Helplessly, I reminisce, don't want to compare nobody to you. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. Your sexiness is so appealing, I can't let it go. I can't get over you, 'cause everything I see is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu. Know that I can't get over you, 'cause everything I see is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu. Things that I know can't be, am I dreaming? When I saw you walking past me, almost called your name. Got a better glimpse and then I looked away. Feels like I'm losing it. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. Your sexiness is so appealing, I can't let it go. I can't get over you, 'cause everything I see is you. Substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu. Know that I can't get over you, 'cause everything I see is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu.
Yes. Bounce. Bounce.
Лево, лево, да, до души. Ну ему отскочил. Не ты, я не домой, полузащита! Пониже, да! Вот он игрок, вот он игрок, вот он игрок! Там,
night bubblegum, blowing up my cranium. Turn off my robotic brain.
Хорошо!
All my thoughts are all the same, all insane.
Do it again. 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 Do it again.
Oh my God, what have I done? All I wanted was a little fun. Got a brain like bubblegum, blowing up my cranium. Oh my God, what have I done? All I wanted was a little fun. Got a brain like bubblegum, blowing up my cranium.
Руки, спокойно. Вперед, рано не теряй!
Yeah! My niggas, throw your hands in the air right now, man. Feel this shit right here. Scott Storch, nigga. Yeah, Khaled, I see you, nigga. Showbiz, born law. Yeah. I don't give a fuck about your faults or mishaps, nigga. We from the Bronx, New York, shit happens. Kids clapping, love to spark the place. Half the niggas in the squad got a scar on their face. It's a cold world and this is ice. $500,000 for the charm, nigga, this is life. Got the phantom in front of the building, Trinity, yeah. 10 years been legit, they still figure me bad. As a young, was too much to cope with. Why you think motherfuckers nickname me cook shit? Should've been called on robbery, stall shit, or maybe grand larceny. I did it all, I put the pieces to the puzzle. Just as long, I knew me and my people was gonna bubble. Came out the gate on some Flojo shit. Bad nigga with the shotty was the logo kid. Said my niggas don't dance, we just pull up our pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on, I said my niggas don't dance, we just pull up our pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on.
R to the easy, M to the wizard. My arms stay breezy, the dawn stay fizz. I got a date at 8, I'm in the 740 fizz. And I just bought a bike so I can ride till I die with a matching jacket. About to cop me a mansion. My niggas in the club, but you know they not dancing. We gangsta and gangsters don't dance with boogies. So never mind how we got in here with burgers and hoodies. Listen, we don't pay admission and the bouncers don't check us. And we walk around and metal detectors. And it really ain't a need for a VIP section in the middle with a dance floor. Reckless, check it, steady. Like my necklace started relaxing now. That's what the fuck fuck I call a chain reaction. See, money ain't a thing, nigga. We still the same niggas. Flows just changed. Now we about to change the game,
Said
nigga.
my niggas don't dance, we just pull up our pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on. I said my niggas don't dance, we just pull up our pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on. Now we living better now, coochie sweater now. When that G4 can fly through any weather now. See, niggas get tight when you're worth some millions. That's why I thought the chinchilla hurt their feelings. You can find your crack at all type of shit. Out of Vegas front row to all the fights and shit. If Father Born come, then they probably squeal. Cause half the rappers that blow like Derek for real. If you cross the line, damn right, I'm gon' hurt you. These faggot niggas even made gang signs commercial. Even Lil Bow Wow throwing it up. B2K Crip walking like that's what's up. K keep telling me to speak about the rucker. Matter of fact, I don't wanna speak about the rucker. Not even Pee Wee Kirkland could imagine this. My niggas didn't have to play to win the championship. Come on. Niggas don't dance, we just pull up our pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on. I said my niggas don't dance, we just pull up our pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on. Yeah. Bronx, BX Burrow, Terror Squad. Big Pun forever. Tom Montana forever. Yeah. Streets is ours. Come on. Nah, man. It ain't never gonna stop. Search. Raul. JB Fan. Come on.
Yeah, check it out, man. Yo, Ski, it's your boy Akon, man. You know it's that nigga alien. I need you to drop that new motherfucking exclusive, man.
I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. Bend you over, look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh, smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh. Up front style, ready to attack now. Pulling the parking lot slow with the lockdown. Convicts got the whole thing packed now. Step in the club, the wardrobe intact now. I feel it, don't it crack now. It's all that back now. I'ma call them when I put the Mac down. Money no problem, pocket full of that now. I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly bend you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that.
Kitty cat calls, the way she climbs up and down them poles. Looking like one of them booty cat dolls. Trying to hold my woody back through my drawers. Steps off stage, didn't think I saw. Creeps up behind me and she's like, yo. I'm like, I know, let's cut to the chase. No time to waste, back to my place. Plus from the club to the crib's like a mile away. Or more like a palace, shall I say. And plus I got a pal at the gala's game. In fact, he's the one singing the song that's playing. Hey girl,
I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. Possibly bend you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh, smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh. Eminem's rolling, D&M rolling, boo, marvelous and rolling. Women just holding, big booty rolling. Soon I'll be all in them mix going deep. Hitting no less than 3. Block real a style like we. Girl, I can tell you want me, cause lately I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo, and possibly bend you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh, smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh.
Хорош, Димка!
Хорош. Отлично, есть.
Yeah. Shady. Aftermath. Gee, you nick. Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get it crackin' in the club when you hear the shit. Drop it like it's hot, get the work in that back. Girl, shake that thing, yeah, work that thing. Let me see it go up and down. Rotate that thing, I wanna touch that thing. When you make it go round and round. Step up in the club, I'm like, who you with? See unit in the house, yeah, that's my clique. Yeah, I'm young, but a nigga from the old school. On the dance floor, a nigga doing old moves. I don't give a fuck, I do what I want to. I hit your ass up, boy, I don't want you. Better listen when I talk, nigga, don't trip. Yo, heat in the car, mine's in this bitch. I ain't tryna beef, I'm tryna get my drink on. Now my diamonds, my fitted, and my mink on. I'ma kick it at the bar till it's time to go. Then I'ma get shorty here and I'ma let her know. All a nigga really need is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I wanna unbutton your pants just a little bit. Take them off and pull them down just a little bit. Get the kissing and touching a little bit. Get the licking it in a little bit. 50 coming out your stereos. Hard to tell though, cause I switched the flow. Eyes a little low, cause I twist the jaw. Pockets on swole, cause I move the O's. My neck, my wrist, my ears is froze. Come get your bitch, she on me, dawg. She must have heard about the dough. Now Captain, come on and say the hoe. I get it drunk in the club, I'm off the chain. Number one on the chart all the time, man. When the kid in the house, I turn it out. Keep the dance floor packed, that's without a doubt. But shorty shit that thing like a pro, man. She backed it up on me, I'm like, oh man. I got close enough to her so I know she could hear. System thumping, party jumping, I said loud and clear. All a nigga really need is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I wanna unbutton your pants just a little bit. Take them off and pull them down just a little bit. Get the kissing and touching a little bit. Get the licking it in a little bit. You got me feeling right, you heard me. My mama gone, you can spend the night, you heard me. I ain't playing, I'm trying to fuck the night, you heard me. Clothes off, face down, ass up, come on. All a nigga really need is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I wanna unbutton your pants just a little bit. Take them off, pull them down just a little bit. Get the kissing and touching a little bit. Get the licking in a little bit. All a nigga really need is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I wanna unbutton your pants just a little bit. Take them off, pull them down just a little bit. Get the kissing and touching a little bit. Get the licking it in a little bit.
Перед кипером почему никого нет? Перед вратарем должен игрок быть. Нормально.
Every day of the week, my
Everybody hands down, shout it, rock that, shake that, shake that. Everybody got their hands up, hands up. Everybody hands down, everybody hands down, shout it, rock that, shake that, shake that. Everybody got their hands up, hands up.
Put your head into it cause the bass is pumping. Grabbing me a drink so my engine's running. Shorty looking top but her face looks funny. Girl, I can't deny back your position is the reason why. That you are with it cause it's super fly. Arms around my waist so we can dance all night. Dance all night, girl. So I want you down with me. Everybody know rock it constantly. You can be the flow, come and dance with me. Take my other than me, lose control. So I want you down with me. Everybody know rock it constantly. You can be the flow, come and dance with me. Take my other than me, lose control.
Heads up! Heads up! Here's another one, and another one. Geek, geek. Why you all in my ear? Talking a whole bunch of shit that I ain't trying to hear. Get back, you don't know me like that. Get back, you don't know me like that. Geek, geek. I ain't playing around. Make one false move, I take you down. Get back, you don't know me like that. Get back, you don't know me like that. So come on, don't get swung on. It's the knick-knack, paddywhack, still riding Cadillacs. Family off the streets, made my homies put the baggies back. Still stacking plaques, still action-packed. And dope, I keep it flipping like acrobats. That's why I pack a Mac, that'll crack a back. Cause on my waist is more heat than the Shack Attack. But I ain't speaking about ballin', just thinking about brawling till y'all start ballin'. We all in together now, birds of a feather now. Just bought a plane, so we changing the weather now. So put your brakes on, caps, put your capes on, and knock off your block. Get dropped and have your face flown. Cause I'll prove it, scratch off the music like, hey, little stupid, don't make me lose it. Why you all in my ear, talking a whole bunch of shit that I ain't trying to hear? Get back, you don't know me like that. Get back, you don't know me like that. Geek, I ain't playing around. Make one false move, I take you down. Get back, you don't know me like that. Get back, you don't know me like that. I came, I saw, I hit him right dead in the jaw. I came, I saw, I hit him right dead in the jaw. I came, I saw, I hit him right dead in the jaw. I came, I saw, I hit him right dead in the
the jaw.
In the jaw. See, I caught him with a right hook, caught him with a jab, caught him with an uppercut, kicked him in his ass. Sent him on his way cause I ain't for that talk. And no trips to the county, I ain't for that walk. We split like two pins at the end of a lane. We'll knock out your spotlight and put an end to your vein. Put a DTP pendant at the end of your chain and put the booty of a switch at the end of a plane. Yeet, yeet, whoop, whoop. Why you all in my ear talking a whole bunch of shit that I ain't trying to hear? Get back, you don't know me like that. Get back, you don't know me like that. Yeet, yeet, whoop, whoop. I ain't playing around. Make one false move, I take you down. Get back, you don't know me like that. Get back, you don't know me like that. Hey, you won't what with me? I'ma tell you one time, don't with me. Get down, cause I ain't got nothing to lose and I'm having a bad day. Don't make me take it out on you. You won't what with me? I'ma tell you one time, don't with me. Get down, cause I ain't got nothing to lose and I'm having a bad day. Don't make me take it out on you. Man, cause I don't wanna do that. I wanna have a good time and enjoy my jack. Sit back and watch the women get drunk as hell so I can wake up in the morning with a story to tell. I know it's been a little while since I've been out the house, but now I'm here, you wanna stand around running your mouth? I can't hear nothing you saying or spitting, so what's up? Don't you see we in the club, man? Shut the f*** up. Geek, geek, whoop, whoop. Why you all in my ear talking a whole bunch of shit that I ain't trying to hear? Get back, you don't know me like that. Get back, you don't know me like that. Geek, geek, whoop, whoop. I ain't playing around. Make one false move, I take you down. Get back, you don't know me like that. Get back, you don't know me like that. We in the red light district. 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 The red light district. The red light district. We in the red light district.
what you starting. You got me tingling, come to me mingling, stepping off, looking bootylicious and jingling. When you walk, I see it, baby. When you talk, I believe it, baby. I like that thick, petite, pretty, little touch of city, love the work, kitty. She loves to stir it up. I can hear her purring up, but she's the type that will get your rhapsody up, get you excited and call her boyfriend up. What's the plan without the plan B? We can meet up at the Huddle House for the TV. So stand by like a buddy pass while I watch this beautiful thing shake that. Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, no bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer. Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, no bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer. Jiggle, jiggle it to the left. Jiggle, jiggle it to the right. Jiggle it to the front and jiggle it to the back and jiggle, jiggle it all night. Jiggle, jiggle it to the left. Jiggle, jiggle it to the right. Jiggle it to the front and jiggle it to the back and jiggle, jiggle it all night.
Billy Cook, Lil K, Lil K, come on, that's the background check. Bounce, bounce, lights out, bounce, bounce, bounce.
for me to try to explain how I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how your love can do it, no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love got me looking so crazy, your love. When I talk to my friends so quietly, who be think he is? Look at what you did to me. Fitted shoes don't even need to buy a new dress. If you ain't there, ain't nobody else to impress. Pray that you know what I gotta do. It's the beat that my heart gets when I'm with you. But I still don't understand just how you look and do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
Young Hov, y'all know when the flow is loco. Young B in the ROC. OG, big homie, the one and only. Stick bony, but the pockets are fat like Tony. Soprano, the rock handle like Ben X2. I shake bonies, man, you can't get next to. The genuine article, I do not sing though. I sling though, if anything, I bling yo. Star like Ringo, war like a Greensboro wreck. Crazy, bring your whole set. Crazy in the range, crazy in the range. They can't figure him out, they like, hey, is he insane? Yes, sir, I'm cut from a different cloth. My texture is the best firm chinchilla. I've been dealing in chain smokers. How you think I got the name over? I've been realer, the game's over. Fall back young, ever since I made the change over to platinum, the game's been a rap one.
Got me looking so crazy, my baby. I'm not myself lately. I'm foolish, I don't do this. I've been playing myself, baby. I don't care. 'Cause your love's not the best of me. Baby, you're making a fool of me. You got me strong and I don't care who sees. 'Cause baby, you got me, you got me, you got me so crazy, baby. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. You're crazy, got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, it's like work, living, should I pass myself? I'm tired of being born, even worse, I'm black. My stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a person to snatch. Cops give a damn about a need, bro. Pull a trigger, kill a nigga, he's a hero. Get it back to the kids who the hell cares. One less hungry mouth on the welfare. First ship them, don't let them deal with brothers. Give them guns, step back, watch them kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead. I got love for my brother, but we can never go nowhere unless we share with each other. We gotta start making changes. Learn to see me as a brother instead of 2 distant strangers. And that's how it's supposed to be. How can the devil take a brother if he's close to me? I let it go back to when we played as kids, but things change. That's the way it is. Come on. Come on.
That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah. That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah.
I see no changes, all I see is racist faces. Misplaced hate makes disgrace to races. We under, I wonder what it takes to make this one better place, let's erase the wasted. Take the evil out the people, they'll be acting right. Cause both black and white and smoke a crack tonight. And the only time we chill is when we kill each other. It takes skill to be real time to heal each other. And although it seems evident, we ain't ready to see a black president. It ain't a secret, don't conceal the fact. The penitentiary's packed and it's filled with blacks. But some things will never change. Try to show another way, but it's staying in the dope game. Now tell me what's the mother to do. Being real don't appeal to the brother in you. You gotta operate the easy way. I made it cheated, but you made it in a sleazy way. Sell it back to the kids. I gotta get paid. Hey, but that's the way it is. Come on, come on.
That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah.
Looking at me, I got me say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing and making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? Well, if not today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love, it's straight like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? So fuck it up there, so fuck it up there. Cause I wanna be the man that's really gonna have it up and mock it up and rock it up there. So what is up, yeah, you know you got the vibe. And me has to develop and I swell up and double up, yeah. So give me the work, yeah, rough it, too for dirty looks and corrupt, yeah. So rev it up, then girl, go and try your luck. Then cause when you steer it up, you know me have to measure up, yeah. For me looking at me, I got me say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? Well, if not today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love, it's straight like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? Everything, girl, so me love to see you walk. And I have like English, but just listen when me a talk. This I wanna from me yard. Woman, you got me caught. You ever in my thoughts and I let me in the dark, in the first place, girl, that's where you belong. So just let me flip the switch, woman, I can turn it on and give it a passion from dusk till dawn. Tell me if you want it, fig one, my girl.
As a woman on my own, got it going on. I'm liking what I'm seeing, I don't wanna be alone. You got me in the days, the illusion makes me sway. Fucking round and round, I'm away. Baby boy, can be wonderful like this. This is all about in the way you twist. You got me in the days, the illusion makes me sway. Caught up in you now, I'm tempted to stay.
Looking at me, I got me to say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? Well, if not today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know what you do, it's straight like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? Up then, up then.
Come on.
Stop it up then. Up then. Stop it up then.
I got a sick reputation for handling brawls. All I need is me a few seconds and more, and it's a rap. Tell the lady bring my lap, and I ain't coming back, so you can put a car right there. I'm the truth, and I ain't got nothing to prove. And you can ask anybody, cause they seen me do it. Barricades, I run right through them, I'm used to them. Throw all the dirt you want, no use. Still won't have a pen up in a fabulous room. Bone her back, picking out a basket of fruit. Love you, boo. Yeah, freaking Petey, love you too. You know how I do it.
Younger, but I'm not just a younger baby. This is what I'm looking for. Sexy, independent, gonna spend it. Type that's getting strong. Not being too dramatic, that's the way I gotta have it. I bet you want the good, bet you thought about it. That you look like you got it, make us not talk about it. Looking for the
show you what bad is. Bad is when you capable of beating the baddest. I've been working at it ever since I came to this planet. I ain't quite there yet, but I'm getting better at it. Matter of fact, let me tell it to you one more again. All I got to do is tell a girl who I am.